guys, it is Noobsville here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to record your screen without having a black screen show up while doing your gameplays. So basically what you want to go to is your settings. You go down to the general bar, go to accessibility, scroll all the way down till you see assistive touch. When it's off, you put it on. And then when this thing shows up, you would want to go back all the way down to iRec or your things and you want to take the record audio off, but I'm using it just so you guys can hear my voice. And when it's done like that, you will actually be able to record a lot better without lagging on your game. But yeah, that's basically how you guys record it. Thanks for watching, guys.